Hello fellow Tiger owners, this is Corey here. There's been some confusion in the group as well as on the forums on just how to enable rain mode on the Tiger 800 XCX. I'd like to help you clarify that now. On the Tiger, setting the rider mode can be done with the bike running or with the bike off. As you can tell, I have the bike off right now, but I have the ignition on. I'm currently in the rider mode, listed right here. That can be changed with the mode button right here. This is the physical button here. We press it, changes to road. Press it again, it will change to off-road. These are your three basic modes that can easily be changed while the bike is in neutral, running, or off. So let's change it back to rider. It's a little person with rider listed below it. Over here on the left handlebar, we have an information toggle switch up and down. We have an information button on the bottom. That's a temporary press. You can easily hit that with your thumb and cycle through the toggle button as well. In order to change the rider mode, we need to go into the information menu through the information button. I'm going to call this button the information toggle, and this the information button from now on. Let's press the information button until setup appears on the screen. Once setup appears, we can use the toggle button to go up or down through the options. Our first option is return. Our second option is units. Third option is service. Indicator, that's what that is. Next option is indicators, if they're auto shut off or not. Next option is time set. And the next option is rider. That's the one we want to change. Once it's displayed here, we want to press the information button to go into it. Once inside of the map section of rider and rain, the current configuration is listed at the bottom, says rain. Using the information toggle, we can cycle through those features: off-road, sport, road, or back to rain. Now that rain is set, we want to press the information button again to choose it. This cycles on to the next feature, which is ABS on road. Do we want ABS on the road rider map or not? Okay, you can turn that off, or road, or even off-road for some reason. It depends on where you live and how you want to customize this feature. Let's leave it on road, because I'm going to be on the road riding in the rain. Moving on to traction control, TTC, we have it set to off-road, off, or road. Let's set it to road and move on. It returns back to rider, and then we can cycle up with the toggle arrow button to return. Once we press the information button to choose that feature, it returns us back to our trip meter. We can press information again to cycle to trip 2, and then again to the information. This is what I like to keep it on when I'm riding. Let's assume that it was raining outside. I would be set to my rider mode, my preset settings of traction control for the road, and rain mode, and ABS on. All three features are on while in raid mode. And you'll notice I also have the current temperature listed here. I like to keep that there. You can also cycle up with the toggle switch to see miles until empty and what the current cruise control is set to, And then finally we have miles per gallon. And then we also have your odometer, of course. I hope this clarifies how to go through the menu, also by choosing your mode and then cycling through the menus to change your custom rider mode to rain and what features you want turned on for that rider mode, like traction control and ABS.